Rugged, remote, and breathtakingly beautiful. But when the sun sets, this serene landscape transforms into something entirely different. Night rides command more, be it attention, concentration, and skill. And in Spiti Valley, the stakes are even higher. From treacherous roads to plunging cliffs and bone-chilling temperatures, this is no ordinary adventure. Out here, you are on your own, man and machine. These serpentine roads are unpredictable, often nothing more than gravel and dust. With the valley shrouded in darkness, the only thing you can trust is your skill, your instincts, and the beam of your headlights. This isn't just a challenge, it's something every rider must do. It's almost ritualistic. Every curve tests your focus, every climb pushes your limits, and when the cold wind bites, you realize why they call this place the Middle Land, a bridge between Earth and the heavens. Then there are moments like this, when the valley offers views that make you believe you are in some heavenly abode. Exhaustion gives way to awe. And it's moments like these that make the journey worth every challenge. Riding through Spiti is not just an adventure. It tests you, inspires you, and leaves you with stories to tell for a lifetime.
Tashispilo.